Well, there's breaking news coming in at this hour from the national capital. Important to understand that a smog has blanketed Delhi. Important to understand that the national capital has woken up this morning with a smog cover. A smog engulfs Delhi as well as the NCR region. Visuals of which present on your screens at the moment. Important to understand that as Delhi grapples with high AQI, it's important to understand that in the latest that we're getting at this hour, the national capital has woken up with a thick layer of smog. It seems as though the national capital has woken up with a smog that has engulfed both Delhi and the NCR regions. Well, on this, my colleague Anushka joining us on the broadcast. Anushka, there seems to be a thick layer of smog that has engulfed the national capital. Walk us through the details. Where exactly does the AQI stand today?
That's right, Reed. The national capital has once again woken up to a thick layer of smog. Today we are seeing that the visibility has been reduced and the vehicular movement is right now impacted because of the thick layer of smog that can clearly be seen, in the national capital. I'll request my camera person to pan the camera and show you the visuals. We are right now at the Akshardham, flyover, and we are clearly seeing that all the cars are right now operating with their headlights and tail lights on. But we're also seeing that because of the reduced visibility, there is a possibility that many flights and trains will also get delayed because we are seeing that this is the first thick smog that has in fact hit the national capital, and this is first of the season. We are seeing that the AQI also stands in the very poor category. We are in Delhi itself, the AQI is above 328, that is in the very poor category, and also in Noida we are seeing that the AQI is in 312. So we are seeing that, along with this cocktail of smog, we are seeing that the pollutant is in fact also high in this, environment in Delhi NCR. But we're also seeing that because of this, the vehicular movement is impacted, and also the AQI is still in the very poor category. So this is, a double problem for the people who are living in Delhi NCR because of the dense smog that has engulfed the national capital, and also the AQI that is in the very poor category. Over to you.